Alrighty folks, today we're doing a milk glass basket for fall. Thought you might want to see, get inspired right here on my take on home and garden. Alrighty folks, now we're going to stir up a piece of this turning fern. To make it different, it's just going to be pears, pumpkin, a couple of white flowers. Sunflower, and then I'm kind of eyeballing these raspberries. In the house tour, our fall home decor tour, this will make sense to you because it's going along with something that I'm doing in the kitchen. Alright, now I got a cool vase for the master bedroom. One of our favorites that we keep in there. So I want to do something extra special for there. Digging in. I think we'll want some acorn branch. That goes pretty well with that. That turning fern branch. I got a fuzzy lavender piece. Now we got a beautiful peony. They're almost done for the year. I want to use them one more time. Get that filled in with some of these cream. And almost a violet cheek on there. This is a violet, kind of almost a frosty tone. Really liking that. On the dahlia. Then we got these incredible, haven't used them yet, Victorian rusty, dusty tones roses, long stem roses. Only 3 of them, so we'll want to get a good spacing on them. Highlighter, thistles, and look at these different thistles. There's a Scottish Highland thistle. Now I'm hoping you're at home having fun putting together your fall florals like I am and enjoying it. It makes you happy. And they make you feel alive. There we go. I can turn it here soon so you can see what I'm working on. And I think you'll agree. Different color scheme here. In the Victorian style. So here we're doing an end table, and we're just want to finish this up. I've got this cool gold leaf plate and a pick here. Just gonna come off the end of that like that. I've got some barley branch, which is really cute in this setting, and I'm going to use it to hide that branch the opposite way. Then a little collection of odd gourds. Get them in and use the different colors. As cute as you can make it. Boy, they don't give you very many. But there's our gold leaf full of gourds dish. Okay, folks. Now I'm going to take you and show you all around.
The perfect summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. Somebody near is open for tonight. It's not too late. My mind says yes. You've been here for quite some time. But my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way. 'Cause my heart screams, let me carry you home. Bright lights and colors, love is for the ones who dare to wait. No use in running when all I really want is to make you stay.
Well, folks, that's our milk glass basket and our master bedroom vase. Hopefully you enjoyed our short and sweet video for fall. Take care, everybody. Thank you for coming by. We care about all our subscribers. And don't forget, give us a like, a comment, a shout, and follow us on Instagram. If you have the time, take care now, and we'll see you in the next video.